Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome. And I am going to swatch this palette. I received this palette, the Bella Pierre Emerald City eyeshadow palette with 35 colors. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I received this in my Goldieboxed. And Goldieboxed is a quarterly box, and I will have my video below so you can see that video if you missed it. So I wanted to tell you what I'm wearing, so that you'll know. I am wearing this palette, actually. I'm wearing a few of these colors. Let's see, I have this color on. I'm just looking at what I touched. I can see that I touched this, and this, and this. 4 colors, 1, 2, 3. I think I have 4 different colors on, I think. That's what I have on, okay? And then also on my lips. Someone was asking me recently, and I don't remember who it was, but they were asking me if I had any Charlotte, excuse me, if I had allergies, y'all. The pollen is terrible here. If I had any Charlotte Tilbury lippies or makeup, generally makeup. And because I had used the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. So this is the Pillow Talk, and there are different colors of Pillow Talk, but this liner just, oh, it says Lip Cheat. I always forget that. It's Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. So this is it here. I have that liner on, and I had worn this liner on a video, and then somebody asked me if I had any more Charlotte Tilbury. I do have a mascara, a mini mascara that I haven't opened up yet, that I got from Terry's Inspirational World. I'll put Terry below. She's a dear friend from England, and she sent me some beautiful things. And I haven't used that yet. The next time I take out more mascaras, because I use a bunch of mascaras at once, I will be opening that. So these are the lippies. I think this is all I have of Charlotte Tilbury. I do have that bronzer that I got in Allure, but I won't be using that. That's gonna go in a giveaway. So this is what I have. These are Pillow Talk, and this little guy I ended up with a couple of these. So where did I get them from, y'all? In mystery, I don't know, the add-ons on Ipsy. I'm thinking I got this from Ipsy, or Ipsy, Boxycharm, you know. But I know that I got more than one, so I don't know if I got one in an Ipsy glam bag, because I know I gave a few away. But this is the Pillow Talk, and this one is, let me see. It's Pillow Talk 2 Medium, and it's just gorgeous. Maybe, you know, it might have been in a advent calendar. I cannot remember, but it's gorgeous. It's you know, it's just adorable. And I have this on, and this is, you know, it's rather a basic nude type of shade, in my opinion. It doesn't have, you know, it's nice. I think this kind of shade looks good on most everybody. I really do. And then with the liner, it's beautiful. And then I used this over it. I think I got this from Sephora, from a Sephora, you know, one of their bags that they had. I never can get in on the bags here lately, but when their bags were less expensive, they're so expensive now. This is a gloss. Got fur on me or something. And this one is Pillow Talk, of course, also. And that's all this one says is Pillow Talk. And it's just beautiful again. And it is like this. This is how this works. So I have this over the lippy, which I normally wouldn't do, but I put it on purpose just to show you. Hey, Blue's coming through. So that's what I have on my lips. Come on through. And then we're gonna swatch this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Emerald City palettes. So let's do it. So this, excuse my, see, 35 colors in here. I want to say, I don't remember now. This is valued at $40 or $45, maybe $42. Blue, you're gonna have to sit. So it has a mirror on one side, and then these are all the colors. And I'll tell you, y'all, in using it on my eyes, these pans are odd. It's this board over, you know, there's gold trim around it. It's just painted. The gold trim is painted, but it is, these are deep, it's deep in there. So I'm gonna swatch and we'll see how it goes. 35, I don't know where it's all gonna go. So let's just see. I'm gonna go down the road. Well, 3, 6, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but we'll figure it out. Let's see, because I can't, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Let's see. I can't tell you all the color names because they're not on here. Application, yeah, no color names that I see. So I'm just gonna go down and we'll just see. Okay, so there's a this shimmer is beautiful. I did not use that one. I used another one, but then there's it's gonna be hard to, I can't tell you names, y'all. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna just do the best I can. I will tell you it performed nicely, but the pan is low. If that makes sense. If I don't know if I can, I'm trying to show you. It's deep. It's deep in there. So it's sort of hard to get on my finger. It's hard to, you know, I can't get much on my finger, but we'll keep going. Okay, so these are, this is a matte, and these are shimmers. Aren't they beautiful? The colors are very, very pretty. I will say that. And I have had some Bella Pierre eyeshadows before, but what I've had has been small palettes. But they have a lot of color to them. They're pigmented very well, and see how those shimmers are? They're really pretty. Now I did have that little, no, there's the lime green. And then I had something over here that didn't come off very well. So let me see what that was. I think that was this one. Yeah, this is more of like a duochrome. So see how that is? It doesn't really, it's just gonna accent. It's not gonna really color. It's hard to see. But yeah, some of these in here are duochromes. And even when I put them on my eyes, I was like, I thought I put green on my eyes. And then, because this one that I'm gonna show you next, in the next batch, it looks green in the pan, but then it looked purple even on my eyes. So it's hard. I wish I could explain it better, y'all. Okay, so this is the one that I have on my eyes. It's got a lot going on there. I see green, I see purple, I see some pink in there. And then these are all mattes. No, this one's a shimmer on my little finger. And then these two are mattes. But there's a large variety of shades. It's called Emerald City, and it reminds me of farmland, a lot of these colors. And here. See, that's the one that is, see how, if you can see it shifting. I'm not sure you can see it shifting, but it's very beautiful, very beautiful. And all these golds and yellows, I wouldn't normally like make a look with them, but I will use them for accents. I do have some on the back underneath. So I'm not sure this is all gonna fit. So we might end up with 2 arms. I bet we will. So, whoops, I keep forgetting to do 4, and I'm doing 3. These 2 are shimmers and this one's a matte. I wish they had names, y'all. I'm sorry that they don't. But see how nicely pigmented they are. And I love the shimmers. I'm a shimmer person. I do use some mattes, but mostly I use shimmers. So I'm very happy. There's quite a few shimmers in this palette. I am sort of surprised because I really didn't even think I liked this palette, quite frankly. So now I sort of lost where I left off. All right, let's see. This one's very nude. See, this kind of palette is a good palette if you have enough room for traveling, because you can get so many looks. You can get day and night out of here. You can use this as a concealer, like I could because of my skin tone. So there's different shades in here that people might be able to use as concealers. Look at this one. See, now that doesn't look like it looks in the palette either. So, and these lighter ones, the lighter ones are very hard to see because they're basically my skin tone. So, but Bella Pierre is a nice brand. It comes a lot in our different boxes. So, you know, you probably have had some of it before if you get boxes. And but I've never had such a huge palette before. And Jess for Goldieboxed, she does try to includes a lot of different things, lifestyle items, but she does include some skincare, and she tries to include a little bit of makeup. It might be a lippy. She had a lippy this time and the eyeshadow palette. She might have, I think she's had eyeliners before and things like that. So she does incorporate different things like that. Now, here, let me see. This one is on my eyes too. Now, see, I don't know if you can tell that either, but that goes gold to green gold. Can you see that gold in there? It is, they're very, very beautiful. And I also have this on me. I'm running out of room, y'all. But it's, you know, see how much, that's what I'm saying. There's so much going on here. You really could do so much with it if you can carry this with you and not break it, because it is big. So, I've only got a few left, y'all, so I hope you can hang in there with me. 3, 4, okay. So we'll put these here. See how the shimmers just really, you know, one touch and you're done. But the mattes are nice too. And there's just a lot. I just appreciate that there's so much I can do with this. I don't know how far I got. I think I got it. 1, 2. What I did was go from the top. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay. Oh, wow. This really is very strong. Very strong. It's almost like a highlighter. See, you can, like I said, you can use these things for different things if you're traveling. You know, so see, that's beautiful. Beautiful. And just 3 left to swatch, and then I'll show you which order I went, although I don't know that that really matters. I'm surprised there's no names on this. Okay, these are nice, all dark. That's a beautiful one too. That looks like it has some purple, or maybe even burgundy in it, but it's brown in the pan, and I can see the different. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, that's the end of it, y'all. So I can't believe they all fit on my arm, on one arm. Look at how pretty it is. It's really very beautiful. So I don't know, did anybody get this palette? If you did, do you like it? I just was surprised that I wasn't even going to use it. But how I swatched, I started here and I went down. So left, down, and all the way to the end, and then down there. So that is the palette. And these are the swatches. So very beautiful. When Jess showed us this palette, she did swatch it. She may have swatched it on a separate video. I can't remember now, but she did show it. So we were able to see how, you know, these are really nice. I like a palette. There's no fallout whatsoever. That's important to me, and also to be pigmented. I don't want to sit there for hours trying to get a color on my eye. I like to get it on and be done with it. I like to be fast. I have to be fast. I'm very scheduled through my day. I've got to get out there. So the fact that they're pigmented is very nice. Some people don't mind if they're not, if a palette has less pigmentation to it. They just, you know, because they enjoy. I don't enjoy taking my brush. Like I don't enjoy doing that too much, you know. So anyway, this is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Emerald City palette. So a tribute there to Miss Judy Garland and the Wizard of Oz, the Emerald City, and it reminds me of that, y'all. So it's really cool. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and I will, at the end here, I'll just show the palette a little bit, like a close-up of the palette, okay? Y'all take care and count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. You know what I always forget, and if you made it this far, y'all, which I know a lot of you probably haven't, but if you've made it this far, please give me a thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed, y'all. I always do giveaways. I do giveaways all the time. So be subscribed, please, and thanks for stopping by. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.